I'm Riya Saraswat and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make logos in Canva. So, you can create logos related to your business, YouTube channel, educational purpose, marketing and many more. So, for making it more easier and convenient for you all, I'm going to tell you all the things in this video step by step. So let's start. So let's go on Canva. I have already signed in with my account. So we go on create design. And over here, logo. You can also search in here logos. I'll click on logo and here it is. So over here in templates you can see various logos. For example, you want gaming logos or art logos, fashion logos, brand, computer logo. I like this. So in here I don't like the background. Okay, so let's change it over here. Well, we can also upload the background or the images like this. I have uploaded it. Send to back or yes, like this you can make. And for example, if I want to attach a photo in it also we can attach. For example, I like backgrounds over here. Now I want a background like this one. Let's put it in here, stretch it backwards, and here you can see that the whole background is changed right now and it looks nice. But for example, I think that this dragon is not looking good as I need a blue colored dragon. So I think it's good, but I want to change it. This one, the sheet. So let's do a little bit like yes. So in here, as you can see, I have already changed the logo. So let's write the name of the channel. For example, I want to add some stickers, some elements in it. So I'll go on the fourth option, that is elements, and as you can see that grids. In the grids option, you will see various types of grids. In here you can just click on it and it will appear here, and all the things will be arranged like that. Yes, frames. Frames is a very good option. So this frame. Okay. Let me make it like this. Yes. So let me add photos in it. Gaming. This. For example, I like this one, so let's keep it in here like this one. And there are various options over here. And for example, I want to write text. So good vibes like this. Cheers. Yes. For example, if I want to add backgrounds, videos in it, so I can do that.